the quantity of you can really look yourself in the mirror and stay. I am investing a far less energy since in such a case that you are lying to yourself. Your work right now and how you execute that work will make the accomplishment penchants that you will need. So to speak, how you do one thing is the way you do everything. If it's making fares, if you ain't making the best fares each time, consider what you ain't going to can make it. In case you can't clear the appropriation place floor better than most others, you ain't going to make in considering the way that here's reality. Disappointments constantly talk about how they would prefer not loss, regardless they don't do anything about it. Regardless you comprehend what victors do, camps will do whatever it takes. Victors will show up and remain late every day until they are winning. Camps will talk to anybody they would that have the option to can help them, like wish recognize the activities for their more puts them in play. That is what victors do. Waste of time talk about detesting to loss. Waste of time say they don't really want to lose. Disappointment talk about how they need to win. Victors do what it takes, and that infers beating the accompanying individual. In case you are not going to work at your particular business reliably and looking at all the other for their more thinking man, I am going to seriously whip all of you. You don't have the stuff. Camps should be the magnificent. Camps have pride in being the magnificent. Camps have pride in being winning among their associates. All men are made identical, some work harder. You need to compare the stuff to win as horrendous as you need to unwind. It is what goes on exactly when the cameras go off. To blame some work, affirmation also, coarseness. You will not outwork me. I will rise sooner than you. I will go to rest later than you. I will put in more hours than you. I will scrutinize more to you. I will create. I will make the fundamental strides. I complete things that distinct myself from everybody. The eagerness that I have when I talk, the pulverized that I have when I do what I do. What are you going to do to segregate yourself in? You ain't got more heart than me. If you ain't been working more eagerly than me, if you ain't relinquished more than me, despite you, and I am not pulling out. I am not running. I wouldn't fret what they say on paper. I make an effort not to mind the quantity of games you need. We live by this and we pass on by this. We make an effort not to pull out. You are not giving 120, you are not giving 17, you are giving 16. Additionally, you walk around those people who have given sweets, who giving blood, who's giving tears. You need what they paid for. Besides the free, it has everything to do with what time you stare. It has an indivisible behind to how you eat. It has an individual behind to how you work out. How you set it up has every single action with how you think and when you need. It is horrendous as you need to breathe in says. I am willing to make any relinquish. I am willing to go through any misery. I am willing to go through any torment. I am willing to go through whatever it takes. So when I get in there and it is me and him one on one, that I guarantee you at the completion of it, I won't be the one that surrendered, and in the event that you will be the best. The most awesome aspect, the best in the event that you will be. The highest point you gotta be, it needs to eat of you. You gotta sort out how not to give up or how not to give up. Like which you gotta appreciate that importance inside you and you gotta pull it out. You gotta climb every mountain, you gotta bad behavior, you gotta to anyways. Whatever you do, you can't give up, you can't yell nobody anytime said. It would be basic anyway. I understand importance is inside you. Moreover, you got the stuff. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.